everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 956 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out these Girlactik 3-in-1 Lip Sparkle Balms. So these are products that I got in my September 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. I mean, bag? I still am in the habit of calling it a box, but the Glam Bag Plus has transitioned over to a bag and it's customizable. You get to choose 3 products from the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So if you want to see all of the products I got, I'll have my unbagging video linked in the description down below. But I was very happy and excited to get these, which is why they're the first product that I'm trying out from my September Ipsy items. I got these in 2 shades, Twinkle and Periwinkle. So it says that you can apply them under a lip gloss, as a topper over your liquid lipsticks, or as a lip sparkle on its own. So today I am just going to be trying them out on their own. I think the packaging on these is really cute. They're glittery on the packaging. They don't twist up, so they're the chubby sticks that will need to be sharpened. I personally kind of prefer the type that twist up just because it's easier. So that's one thing, is it does have to be sharpened. But let me go ahead and, ooh, I love the texture. It's a very jelly texture, which is great, and it has a lot of sparkle to it. So this shade here, Twinkle, has a lot of sparkle and a pretty sheer shade, so that would definitely be a great lip topper. And then the shade Periwinkle, very similar. It just maybe has a little bit more of those violet kind of holographic sparkle to it, but it's also pretty sheer. The swatches are right here. It might be a little hard to see on camera since they are pretty sheer, but you can see that shine, reflection. Go ahead and get a little bit more zoomed in for when I apply this to my lips, because I feel like it could be a little bit difficult to see on camera. But so I'm gonna start with the shade Periwinkle. This is the more holographic purple shimmer, and I'll do the outside of my lips. So I'm kind of doing a little ombre lip effect. But wow, that sparkle shows up a lot. So easy to apply. I love how it just glides on with this gel texture. And I'm already feeling some nice hydration on my dry lips. So it feels like a lip balm with the hydration too. So now, like I said, picking up the shade Twinkle and applying that to the center. Whoa! When I rub my lips together, I'm kind of surprised to feel no texture and no grittiness from the glitter. Wow, I really love the texture of these. It really does feel almost like in between a lip balm and a lip gloss, like a lip gel. It's got kind of like a thicker texture to it, which feels very comfortable and hydrating. And these are glittery. I don't love it alone on my lips. I feel like even if I were to put a lip gloss on top of it, I wouldn't really love that either. So I think that my best use for this is going to be as a lip topper. Putting it over like a matte liquid lipstick I think would be perfect, because it would add some hydration, it would add the beautiful glitter, because the glitter really is beautiful. It's very small shimmer pieces rather than big chunky glitter, and because of that there's a lot of sparkle going on, but it really enhances the lips. It kind of is giving a plumping appearance to my lips because it's so hydrating and has sheen and glitter. So it really does give the illusion of fullness to the lips, which I love. If you're looking for a glittery lip product, I really, really like these. These are one of my most favorite glittery lip products, like whether it's lip gloss, lip balm, like this is one of my favorites I've tried. I think I might have forgotten to mention that this duo retails for $34, which I do kind of feel is expensive for glitter lip balm sticks, but they are really good. I'm really excited to keep using these and layering them on top of other lipsticks, and I'm sure you'll see that when I do my full face makeup tutorial using all of my Ipsy products. I don't remember if I'm getting any other lipsticks, but I hope so that I can use these as toppers on top of other lipstick. I love the texture of these so much that I wish I had these in like a tint or a color, something that's a little bit more wearable on its own than the glitter like this. But even still, I am really excited to have these glitter sticks. If you've tried these, let me know in the comments down below your favorite uses for them. If you've layered them on top of any certain liquid lipsticks, let me know which ones and what you've thought of them. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.